Next, I'm going to go over Calendly. Calendly is where you will request or make an appointment with me, the instructor, for to be able to meet one-on-one with me. This is for the 3 required times and any other time that you want to meet with me if you're having something that you want to ask me about, or troubles in the class or whatever. If you'd like to meet with me one-on-one, again, it's listed for 30 minutes, but that's just to keep that time slot at 30 minutes. Our meeting, I'm planning on the meetings being 15 to 20 max, but we can spend up to 30 minutes if we need to. So what you'll do is you'll go to this link. Again, it'll be provided on Canvas. It's also in the syllabus, and there'll be, other places might be in my email or things like that. So it's calendly.com/chrisandrewsedu/meeting. You don't need this extra bit here, but then it will come up here and you can just select a day. So I can just go, okay, I'm going to pick September 17th. And then it's going to show you the times that I'm available. And all you have to do is select a time and say, okay, I want 12:30, confirm. Then you'll need to type in your name and your email address. And the reason why you do that is because it will send you an email with the information. The other nice thing about Calendly is that not only will it send you the email with the information, it will give you an option if for some reason you realize, I don't know, the day before that's not going to work for you, something else came up and you want to change the date. It'll actually, in your email, there'll be a button you can just click on to change the date. So you'll just fill out this information, click on schedule event. It'll place it in your email inbox, and it can even put it on your calendar, I think, if you allow it to. I don't know from the student side. I've only used it from the teacher side, but and there'll be the information about the Zoom link in the email as well. Okay, so that's how you use Calendly. Really simple. You just click on the day and the time that you want to meet with me, and then it puts it on my calendar so that I don't miss it. If I do for some reason, please forgive me, send me an email, let me know, but I shouldn't miss any because they'll show up on my calendar immediately. So that is Calendly.